As you all know that carbon is one of the important components, and this component is present in many constituents. It's present in carbohydrates, it's present in lipids, fats. So this carbon cycle is an important part of biosphere. How and what is carbon cycle? How this carbon cycle is actually there, which is occurring in nature? Let's discuss. First of all, how you will define carbon cycle as? It is a series of chemical reactions in which carbon as an element from carbon dioxide is removed from atmosphere, used up by living organisms in their body processes, and is again returned to atmosphere. So what is carbon cycle? It is a series of chemical reactions in which carbon as an element from carbon dioxide is removed from atmosphere, used up again by living organisms in their body processes, and then it is again returned to the atmosphere. So what the definition is conveying to you, that carbon is again returned back to the atmosphere. So this is how a cycle that is known as carbon cycle is occurring in nature. Now in the atmosphere, carbon dioxide is present as 0.03%. So carbon dioxide is there as 0.03%. And this carbon dioxide easily gets dissolved in water and forms carbonates and bicarbonates, which are used to form shells in case of some animals, right? So this atmospheric CO2, when dissolves in water, it forms carbonates and bicarbonates. Now let us look at the cycle. What is happening? It's very simple. As you all know that CO2 is an inorganic raw material that is used by the green plants during the process of photosynthesis, right? During the process of photosynthesis. Now when these green plants, they decay or they are going to respire, they are going to release CO2 back into the atmosphere, right? Similarly, these green plants, the green plants are taken up by animals as organic food, and when these animals are going to respire, they are also going to release CO2 back into the atmosphere, and when these animals are going to die. So as a result of decomposition of their bodies by the microorganisms, CO2 is again released back into the atmosphere. These green plants, they also form fossil fuels, right? So these fossil fuels are coal and petroleum. So when coal and petroleum, and in fact wood is burnt, when combustion takes place, then this also releases CO2 in the atmosphere. It also releases CO2 in the atmosphere, right? So this is how a process that is going on in nature. This is known as carbon cycle. So you can see that as a result of all these processes, what is happening in the end? Carbon dioxide is being released into the atmosphere. It is being released back into the atmosphere. So this is how carbon cycle is operating in nature. In case of photosynthesis, it is being used as a raw material to produce food by the green plants, and when these green plants are decay, then CO2 is released back into the atmosphere. Green plants, after a million of years, they form fossil fuels, and the combustion of fossil fuels again releases CO2 into the atmosphere. And green plants, when consumed by the animals, CO2 is again their respiration product, and when they also die, then decomposition of the dead bodies of the animals by microorganisms also releases CO2 in the atmosphere. So this is how carbon cycle it operates in nature, a series of chemical reactions in which carbon as an element from carbon dioxide is removed from atmosphere, used up by living organisms in their body processes, and is again returned to the atmosphere. So it has 0.03%, right? But still this carbon dioxide and this element carbon is of crucial importance to all of us.